Oh, I see why, Emma, you said it's coming back with 6 felonies. When I saw, okay. Thank you, Miss Emma. Counsel,
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to review the pre-sentence investigation report. I've reviewed it with Mr. Briggs. There are no additions, deletions, or corrections as to the report itself.
I looked at this pre-sentence report, and no, you're not getting this from me.
Yeah, this looks like this plea was taken in district court, yet it's ended up here for sentencing.
Well, they got a problem. What is this? It did no agreement. It's just no agreement. He's got a habitual fault. Is that what this is?
And I don't have a copy of the plea form. Let me see. Hold on.
And are the guidelines correctly scored?
Let me take a look at them. Okay. For an attempt felonious assault, I believe they would be.
Okay.
They're still 0 to 17. And that's using like the H grid. Yeah, the H grid.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Dan has.
Oof.
A criminal sexual conduct, an assault on a prison employee. Now he's got an assault with a dangerous weapon. That does not include his stolen property or possession with intent to deliver. And this is an assaultive offense on a senior citizen, apparently. They keep saying he was an old man. And what? You want me to sentence him within the guidelines? Is that what you're saying? And he got a 2-year max?
Your Honor, some of these old offenses are date back quite some time.
I'm sorry?
I said some of these older offenses are over 10 years old, 12 years old.
That's because he was in prison, assaulting a good guard.
I was, Your Honor. Correct.
Section 4. Yeah, I was able to find a copy of the plea form. It was reduced to an attempt felonious assault, technically a 2-year high court misdemeanor. The habitual was withdrawn with the agreement as follows. Agreement for a sentence within guidelines range calculated at sentencing. Sentence to include no contact with the complainant. All other terms, conditions set by the court with full restitution if applicable.
That is correct, Your Honor. That's what I had.
Now I'll give you to your counsel. You got him a wonderful deal. I'm gonna give it to you, okay? However, Mr. Casey?
Yes, Your Honor.
This just irritates me to the core of my bones. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, I don't necessarily want to take the man's deal from him. I mean, but by the same token, I don't want to honor this.
Yeah, and Yeah, there may have been,
Do I have the ability to send it to some other judge who can just swallow hard and do this?
yeah, hold their nose, yeah. And I'm looking through the notes, see, okay. Now the complainant has some issues as well, so that may have been part of the consideration.
Hard of hearing is what I read.
Yeah.
Look, I don't, all I'm saying is,
Mhm.
if I send this to somebody else and they just go along with it,
Yeah,
because as far as I'm concerned, this man should not be on the streets. Okay, now
Yeah.
that's where I stand on it.
Mhm.
I consider him to be dangerous.
I don't know how that would work because there's been a plea. I don't know why they just didn't take do the sentence in district court.
Because it was a felony.
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, Judge. Yeah, if he withdraws his plea,
I'll tell you what I'll do.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I do. I know how to handle this. I'm gonna recuse myself. Okay, I'm gonna recuse myself from this case. I don't think that you know how every now and then I tell y'all I need to walk it off. I just, get up and stroll for a few minutes, let my blood pressure go down. Yeah, that's where I'm at on this. So I'm gonna recuse myself from this case, counsel, and Miss Emma gonna take it and she gonna send the whole package to another judge, and all of it to go as is. All right, but I'm not gonna be part of this. And Mr. Ripley, I know you got something to do, but I think I'm gonna walk it off. Mr.
Step away and walk
Mr.
it
Ripley,
off.
what do you have to do? Is it? Let me see.
Plea on Mr. Brown that's he's labeled as Zoom user.
Okay, just let me take 5 and walk it off. Okay, I think the whole plea situation will run much more smoothly, and I'm only gonna take 5. Okay, just give me 5.